Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to tell you guys how to fix P1299 cylinder head over temperature protection active. If you're getting P1299, it means that your engine is overheating and the fail-safe mode was activated. If you're getting P1299, you probably notice the following symptoms. You might notice your vehicle might be stuck in limp mode. You might notice it might be difficult for the engine to start. You might notice poor fuel economy. You might notice overall poor engine performance. And of course, if you use a scan tool and you check the temperature on the scan tool, you might actually get no reading at all. Before you do anything, always check the cooling system. Make sure there is no leak in the cooling system and make sure coolant level is not low. If coolant level is low, make sure to top off the coolant reservoir with coolant. If coolant level is not low and there's no leak in the cooling system, now I'm going to tell you guys what is the most common problem when you're getting P1299 code. Now the reason why you're getting this code is because maybe you have a bad sensor, and this sensor is going to be called cylinder head temperature sensor, and is going to be located directly on top of the cylinder head or on the back side of the cylinder head. Before replacing the cylinder head temperature sensor, I suggest inspecting it. First, check the connection. Make sure the connection pin is not corroded. Make sure the connector itself is not broken. Make sure the boot's directly on top of it. Make sure it's not trapping moisture in the sensor area. And also make sure that cylinder head temperature sensor itself is not broken. By broken, I mean the sensor itself can be broken. So what I suggest is that you disconnect the connector and grab onto the sensor and wiggle it around. If it starts to move around, then you know that sensor is broken. Due to the sensor location, it is always exposed to high engine temperature, and high engine temperature can cause the sensor to prematurely fail, or it can cause the connector or the wire on the sensor to fail prematurely as well. If the cylinder head temperature sensor is not the issue, then I suggest checking the following part. Make sure that the thermostat is not stuck closed. Make sure that the coolant temperature sensor is not bad. Make sure it's functioning properly. Make sure that the water pump is not leaking, or make sure it's not making noise. And make sure you don't have a blown head gasket. And of course, I always check for low coolant level in the cooling system. And make sure that the radiator fan is working. And also make sure the radiator itself is not damaged. And make sure the fins on the radiator is not bent as well. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.